So this is 3, 4, and 5G. This is the constant sound I hear, even when it's silent. It doesn't matter where I am. I could be in Massachusetts. I could be in the middle of the woods. It doesn't matter where I am. I hear this 24/7. Sound at this decibel on a constant basis causes concentration problems, hearing loss, speech impediments, tics, like Tourette's, headaches, dizziness, confusion, depression. Anything, any sound that is added to that 30 decibel brings it higher. It's added to it. So they're finding out that if we hear 100 decibels on a continued basis, it does serious damage. It may even damage DNA, cause brain cancer, and certainly at certain frequencies it can do that too. I have a sound meter that measures frequency. That would be a different video. I can do a video on that as well. But this is 3, 4, and 5G. It's constant sound. And it's radiation. I mean, it puts off EMFs, don't get me wrong. But sound technology destroys cells. These are cell towers. We have mobile phones. This technology was invented as weapons against humanity. Notice they're going up everywhere. This is for multiple reasons, and one of them is to react with the graphite in your system from the vaccines. They have graphite in medications now. People have graphite in them now, and this technology will react with it. Not only that, they could blow out our eardrums. At any point, anytime they wanted to, they could blow out our eardrums.